Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting where it matters. Pick the clip and the object to follow. First, import both your footage and any overlay asset, then place the footage on the timeline and select it. Open Filmora's motion tracking panel and draw a tight tracking box around a clear, high-contrast part of the object. You want minimal occlusion and steady contrast so the tracker locks on. Once the box looks correct, press Track Forward. Filmora analyzes frame by frame automatically, so let it finish before moving on. Once tracking is complete, add your overlay, text, graphic, or effect on a track above the clip and position it roughly where the object sits in the first frame. Use the Attach or Follow control to bind that overlay to the tracking data. Filmora will create keyframes automatically. Play the segment and watch how it follows. If you see slipping, refine by nudging keyframes, adjusting scale or rotation, or tightening the tracking box, and retrack that problematic section to improve precision. To finish, render a preview and scan the entire clip to confirm the overlay stays aligned. If you notice drift or jitter, don't retrack the whole clip. Retrack a short problematic segment or add manual keyframes to correct position shifts. Also make sure export preserves original resolution and frame rate to avoid timing issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if the tracker loses the subject due to occlusion or blur, split the clip at that point and retrack each uninterrupted section for far more reliable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.